Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a cool song from Alok and featuring John Martin here called Wherever You Go. So this one is very easy. We only have 3 different chords here to handle and a cool melody. If you wish, I can teach you how to play it. So yeah, let's start right away with the capo set here on the 5th fret. Up on the 5th here to match up the sound and even to get these higher notes that we need for this melody. So that's why. So first the chords. A minor. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's A minor. Next will be F. So you bar all strings here on the 1st fret. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final 3rd chord will be C. Okay, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So yeah, very easy, 3 chords only. We will first look at the strumming pattern that will work for this entire song. And yeah, we can grab an A minor. And the strumming will sound like this first, and I'm gonna show you how to handle it. So let's go for one run of strumming. All right, so down, 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 up. We can start with that. That's the first part. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And the second part will be up, down, 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 up. So up, down, 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 up. All right, so that's the full strumming round there. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. All right, so that is the strumming pattern here. And the song goes 1 A minor, 1 strumming round of A minor, 1 for F, and 2 for C. So the song goes like this. That's 1 chord portion. A minor, F, C, and C again. A minor, F, C, and C. Alright, so that is the song here. Now we can add in this melody here. And the actual melody I can show you, just the notes I believe will be the best first to get, and then I can show you how to incorporate these into a strumming. Okay, so the actual notes will be like this. Yeah, so those are the notes there. And I'm gonna show you now how to pick the notes here, divide into the different chords here. So the first belongs to this A minor. So you're gonna start here with the 2nd fret D string, then 2nd fret G, then open B, then 1st B, 1st B again, then open B, and open B. And many of these notes here that you find in these different chords here belongs actually to the chords here. They are built into the chords, and yeah, this is the case with the A minor as well. So this A minor part again sounds like this, very slow. Okay, then comes the F part here. Okay, so the F part will be second on G, second on G again 2 times, then open G and open G, and then second on G. Okay, that will be actually the part that belongs to F, and then the rest of the notes comes for C. Or you can actually say that really this last note here, the second on G, kind of belongs to the C. If we just go back here and repeat the F part, it will be second on G, second on G, open G, and open G. I would think that would be more correct to say that is the F part. Okay, and then for the C, it's now this is second fret G string, and then open D and second D. And this open D to second D is kind of a hammer on, like this. Okay, so the C part is only second G and this hammer on from this open D to the second D. And since there are 2 C's in this chord progression here, it will play the same for this second C here. So again, second fret G string, open D, hammer on to the second D. So from the F part, it will be like this. Alright, so 2 times the same there for the C chords. Okay, so now you cannot really use the strumming that we learned where you just play the chords here. So this is more up to you how you want to incorporate these notes. And perhaps you cannot incorporate all of these notes into strumming, but if you can perhaps take half of them, that will still be very good. It will be kind of a melody into it and people will hear it, so that will be still cool enough. So yeah, aim for as many notes as possible here. And it's up to you to build up the strumming here. There's, you can say, almost no right or wrong here. If you just have the right timing to get with this different chord switches here, you play A minor, F, and C in the right moment there, and then you will be pretty much on it when it comes to the song here. But I can show you pretty slow how I strum or how I do. I'm not gonna instruct you of these ups and downs. I will just let you hear slow so you can repeat in this tutorial here. Go back and see how I play it, since that would be too technical, I think, to just go in depth in how I do every note up and down, and so it will be just boring and too much to take in. So I'm just gonna try to play slow for it. It's harder often to play things slower, but I will make a try now. So let's go. yeah, so I hope that helped you. And that is what I can give you for this melody here. So yeah, good luck with this one, and maybe take some time to get the feeling for this melody. But once you know it, I believe you can just play freely with this and try to get the melody into the strumming, and it will sound perfectly. So yeah, good luck with this one, and see you soon. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, and most of all, play tuned.